Already I paid 22,000 rupees the first premium, and top of that I paid around 7,000 change for the additional repair cost.
Hey, Abhi this side. Welcome to Bites and Throttle. Uh, it's not a good day for me. Actually, my next one is a windshield got cracked. I don't know, like yesterday I was traveling via this Hebbal side. From nowhere, a stone got hit on my car's windshield. I heard this tick sound, but I didn't realize it properly because there was a cycle in the rear side because I was taking my cycle for servicing. Cycle may make some sound like when it is moving here and there. I thought because of that it was hearing something, so I didn't saw and I was literally got shocked. And see, actually, if you can see from inside, you can't see anything. See, I will show here. Actually, it happened on this side. So because this this black color this is there, no, so we can't see it properly. So I will show you after moving to outside. Here is it. We can see the stone punch mark, and followed by that there is a crack in the windshield. It's not a big crack basically, but we can't take the chance, else it might lead to a big trouble in the coming days. Actually, now I am on my way to Tata's service center, which is located in Gurgundapalaya. When I noticed my windshield got cracked, I immediately called them and I inquired about the availability of the spare part. Unfortunately, the windshield was readily available with them, and they asked me to take my car to their service center. And they told me they need something around 4 to 5 hours of time for setting up for fixing this windshield, and plus I need to do some wheel alignment. So most probably I will come and pick my car tomorrow. So I am going to leave my car today and I will come and take it tomorrow. So rest of the video we'll see tomorrow. See you. Stay tuned. A day is over, and actually I am on my way to the service center for picking my car. So the insurance formality is so simple and hassle free. So we need to give our copy of DL, RC and the insurance copy, and we need to sign a couple of documents. That's it. And rest of the details the service center will take care and everything, and they will call us like once everything is ready. That's it. And more details like we can talk after taking my car out from the service center. So finally, I am back from Tata Service Center, and my windshield got replaced. Give me a minute. Yeah. So earlier this side was something like the black color one. So now that changed to this the black dot one. So it is completely got clear. Earlier, like here the black, no, it was completely covered, and this side it's got replaced. And if you are seeing the bill. Yeah, I just replaced from Classic Motors Bangalore. So this is some 600 change, that is for the wheel alignment, and for the insurance total something around, from my side I paid something around 1032 rupees I paid. I don't know, yeah, the total bill was something around 9695, and the insurance I got for 8000 change, and 1000 change I supposed to pay from my pocket. Some people still have doubt, like when an accident happens, whether we need to go for an insurance one, or we need to pay it from our pocket kind of thing. So I will from my experience, what I have seen between this insurance or all those, I have both examples. I will share you, like once I go home, let me take all the details and everything, let me go for a small study, and I will just explain you from my experience, what I have seen, that I will explain you in a while. Finally, I am back to home, and I want to take you guys through some calculations. So without wasting the time, let's get into the mission.
I bought my car in the year of 2018. I spent something around 22,000 change for my first premium. And during this period, I supposed to replace my car fender because I met an accident. I supposed to replace my car right side fender, and the replacement cost was something around 7,326 rupees. During that period, like many, I am also little more paranoid by hearing the term something like I am going to lose the NCB, I am going to lose the IDV value, and and the resale value, and so on. With all these things, I thought like I will go and repair from my pocket rather than going for an insurance. So here the twist is, in the year of 2019, I got renewed my insurance, and the renewal cost was something around 16,000 rupees, and the NCB was something around 1,590 rupees. So that time I did a calculation like what it would be like if I am going, if I for this accident repair, if I am going through the insurance. So when I am doing that calculation, so the next year what I am going to lose is, I am going to lose the 20% of the NCB plus this insurance deductible charge. Like everyone know, any bumper to bumper claim, we need to pay something around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees we need to pay from out of our pocket. So I would have, from my pocket, I would have spent something around 2,500 rupees, but already I paid this 7,326 rupees, which means I lost something around 4,700 rupees. I lost. Here I put savings, but actually I lost 4,700 rupees. Already I paid 22,000 rupees the first premium, and top of that I paid around 7,000 change for the additional repair cost, and this is for nothing. So when it comes to the next years, 2020 went fine, no issue, and now I renewed my current insurance renewal. So I paid something around 17,000 rupees, and my NCB was accumulated to 3,000 change, which means like 35% of the NCB, because I didn't claimed any insurance yet. So by my NCB matured something to 35%. So now my windshield got replaced, and the replacement cost was something around 9,695 rupees. So what I am going to lose means, when it comes to the next year, my NCB will be something around 45%. And let me repeat, like when it comes to next year, means next renewal time, my NCB would be something around 3,931 rupees that I am going to lose for sure. Plus already I paid 1,032 rupees for the insurance deductible charge. Like I said earlier, like any bumper to bumper claim insurance, we need to pay something around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees we need to pay from our pocket. So what I am going to lose is something around 4,963 rupees I am going to lose. But even the same time, I am going to save something around 4,700 rupees, because like out of this 9,000 change, and when we are subtracting this 4,000 change, and I am going to save this 4,731 rupees. So I hope this calculation makes little more clear for you people, right?
So the conclusion is something like, if the claim amount comes less than 3,000 rupees, go ahead and pay from your pocket, and if the claim amount comes more than 3,000 rupees, don't think about anything, just go ahead with the insurance and stop feeding the insurance people, because every year we are paying a pretty huge amount for the sake of insurance. And that's it. And why I am saying this means, like many members in the owners group, even in both Facebook and even in WhatsApp, having the same type of confusion, saying that I met an accident, do I need to go with the insurance, or I need to pay it from the pocket? And if you are having such confusion, I hope this video makes it clear. And if any of your friends or group members having similar type of confusion, and please share this video. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you soon.